So this is HomePod Mini, the third generation Echo Dot and Google Nest Mini. This is a video I've gotten a wild amount of requests for, so these are the three main competitors in the smart speaker ring right now, and we're putting them up against each other in the 2021 Ultimate Smart Speaker Battle. I've given each of these the same network connection, the newest software update, and the same sentences, questions, and phrases, and we're going to see which is really the smartest smart assistant in 2021. So let's start. This first area is just simple facts, simple math problems, and simple general knowledge nowadays. Hey Google, how far is it to Mars?
Mars and Earth are currently about 94,662,000 kilometers apart.
Hey Google, what is Elon Musk's net worth?
The net worth of Elon Musk is $129,800,000,000.
Hey Google, what does COVID-19 stand for?
On the website fin.canada.ca, they say, COVID-19 means the coronavirus disease 2019.
Hey Google, what is 29 times 7 minus 3?
The answer is 200.
Hey Google, how tall is the Burj Khalifa?
The Burj Khalifa is 828 meters tall.
How far is it to Mars?
The distance from Earth to Mars at 1:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday, November 28, 2020 is about 0.625 astronomical units.
What is Elon Musk's net worth?
Elon Musk's net worth was $22.3 billion in 2019.
What does COVID-19 stand for?
COVID-19 is defined as a viral respiratory disease caused by a novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, first identified in Wuhan, Hubei Province, China.
What is 29 times 7 minus 3?
29 times 7 minus 3 is 200.
How tall is the Burj Khalifa?
The Burj Khalifa is 2,722 feet tall.
Alexa, how far is it to the moon?
Today, the moon is 252,000 miles from Earth.
Alexa, what is Elon Musk's net worth?
Elon Musk is worth an estimated $104,500,000,000 and he receives a salary of $0.
Alexa, what does COVID-19 stand for?
According to the CDC, COVID-19 is an abbreviation for coronavirus disease 2019. CO stands for corona, V, I, for virus, D for disease, and 19 for 2019.
Alexa, what is 29 times 7 minus 3?
29 times 7 minus 3 is 200.
Alexa, how tall is the Burj Khalifa?
At 2,717 feet, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai is currently the world's tallest building.
So now let's talk threads. Not Twitter threads, but question threads. This is something that Google has said that their smart speaker, the Nest Mini, can do really, really well. So I am very, very interested to see if that's really true. So by threads, what I mean is asking one question and then asking another question later on based on that, and whether or not the smart speaker can actually give you an accurate answer based on the question you asked earlier. So the questions I'll be asking is, first of all, what is the capital of Nigeria? What time is it there? What's the population? And who is the mayor? So these are all questions that come off of the what is the capital of Nigeria? The smart speaker gives the answer, and then you continue on, and this is what happened. Hey Google, what is the capital of Nigeria?
Abuja is the capital of Nigeria.
Hey Google, what time is it there?
The time in Abuja, Nigeria is 7:34 p.m.
Hey Google, what's the population there?
On the website macrotrends.net, they say, the metro area population of Abuja in 2019 was 3,095,000, a 6.03% increase from 2018.
Hey Google, who is the mayor there?
According to Wikipedia, in many countries, a mayor is the highest-ranking official in a municipal government such as that of a city or a town.
What is the capital of Nigeria?
Abuja is the capital of Nigeria.
What time is it there?
It's 1:33 p.m.
What's the population there?
I found some web results. I'll send them to Max's iPhone.
Who is the mayor?
I can't get the answer to that on HomePod.
Alexa, what is the capital of Nigeria?
The capital of Nigeria is Abuja.
Alexa, what time is it there?
It's 1:37 p.m. Enjoy your afternoon.
Alexa, what is the population there?
According to the most recent available data from 2011, the population of Abuja is 1.24 million people.
Alexa, who is the mayor there?
Here's something I found on the web. According to reference.com, as of 2015, the last 4 mayors of Chicago were David Duval Orr, Eugene Sawyer, Richard M. Daley, and Rahm Emanuel, who is the current and 55th mayor.
So that's the 2021 Ultimate Smart Speaker Battle, and I want you to decide which you thought won. Leave a comment below which one you thought did best. I have my own idea of which one won, but I want to hear what you guys think. So leave a comment below which one you think won, and I'll see you in the next video. Like this video if you liked it, comment below if you have any questions for me, or if you just like to make your voice heard. Something we need now more than ever, and subscribe below if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.